Alright lovelies, and welcome back again to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be installing this hair from ELFIN. This is the newest hair trending on all social media. I'll be using 3 packs of different colors, and one amazing thing about ELFIN is it usually comes with this fancy hair bonnet. Honestly, if you're getting their hair, you're getting an additional hair bonnet as a freebie. You can also follow them on YouTube and Facebook. Alright lovelies, this is the hair of the day, the newest trending 100% woman hair, crochet with a string, reigning on all social media platforms. And ELFIN hair has this unique color I'm gonna be exploring and showing you all today. There are 5 rings in each cluster, so this is a pack. In that pack we have 5 rings of hair, and each ring has 20 strands of hair. So for that whole 5 rings, we're looking about 100 strands of hair. So using 3 packs, I'm actually using up to like 300 strands, which I think it is more than enough for a full hair, no matter how voluminous your hair is. And these 3 colors put together will make a very good highlight. So I have color number 4, which is the dark brown. I have color 27, which is the dark blonde, and I have color 613, which is the light blonde. The one on my right hand is color 27, and the one on my left is color 613. They are kind of close in color, but one is darker than the other. All you need to install this hair is a crochet pin, which comes in the package from ELFIN hair, and you also have your hair braided, which I've done in this video. You can braid your hair however you want, full or back, or center parting, or side parting. So for this video I am doing side parting, and I braided my hair in that manner. So I pick 1 ring from each of the packs to start making my hair from the back. Alright lovelies, we are done with the back and starting with the front. Because each of those strands are kind of like tiny, in front here I'm doubling those strands to give me a fuller look at the front. So what I did was to pick 2 strands and then crochet it into my hair. Very easy breezy.
Every In your eyes I see the light. Laugh and dance through the night.
We are done installing the hair. Look at it, everyone. It came out so well. And I'm gonna add my mousse to give it a wet look and the finishing touch. Honestly, it looks good. The hair feels so soft. I love the coils. Honestly, look at that. It feels so soft, like pure human hair. I mean, like a baby hair. It's so gorgeous. And look at the highlight. I love the touch. I love the look. It is bouncy. It is cute. I love it.
Can't believe this feels so right.
I'm also adding my coil marks to give it shine and redefine those coils. Look at this. I feel like those 3 colors came out so cool. What do you think, everyone? Let me hear a comment in the comment section about how you feel with this color of the day. It looks so gorgeous. So you know, this is what is left after installing this hair. I mean, it's a very good buy for your money. And if you want a fuller look, you can go ahead and install the whole packs, and it's gonna also come out so beautifully. I love myself. I love my look. Look at this, it came out well. I've left the link of this hair on the video description. Go ahead and navigate to the website ELFIN hair and grab one for yourself. This hair is gorgeous. It looks good on me, and I'm very sure it's gonna look so good on you. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Until I see you again next time, remain blessed.
You feel so true, feel so new. Love with you, every moment just me and you. Love with you, feel so true, feel so new.